Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9th, statics chapter. Maths of class 9th and statics chapter number 14. Previous lecture I have explained about the graphical representation and frequency polygon, bar graph, histogram and polygon. Now you will see the exercise based on it. Exercise 14.3 of your NCERT book. Question number 1 is given. A survey conducted by an organization for the causes of illness of death among the women between the age 15 years to 44 years found the following figures: reproductive health conditions, neuropsychiatric conditions, injuries, cardiac problems, respiratory system, others. By this, what is the percentage of death rate? It is given in 31.58, 25.4, that like this till here. Represent the information given above graphically. Which condition is the major source of women's ill health and death worldwide, and try to find out with the help of the two major facts that we'll see afterwards. First of all, you see what will you do. First of all, you see that you take the scale according to horizontal line, because it is a different things given, so you will get a bar graph. Suitable graph is bar graph. What will you do? Draw a line. How many conditions are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just 12 centimeter at least you want the gap. 1 centimeter is the width of the this reproductory and all the causes. It is called the causes. And here 1 centimeter on the vertical line is 10 women's. I am taking 10. You can take 5, then just double will be there till here. So if you want, then 10 family members. So first of all, we'll draw horizontal line, vertical line, then put the causes here and female fertility death rates given. So what is this? First 1 centimeter scale you write down. Then first one is given 34.8. So till 34.8, one small square gives you the 1. So 10, 20, 30, 38, 34, 34.8, approx 5. So 34, 1, 30 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 34.8. 31.8, not 34 point, 31.8 is given. It is a 31.8. Then 25.4 till here. Then 12.4 will equal width will give. And this in the previous class also you have seen. And it is 4.3, 4.1, 422.0. This is. So highest reproduction or health of condition is maximum is 31. Whose height is maximum? It is your first answer. Second, facts to with your teachers you want to get. That is the role cause, above being the major source. Second one. It is given. The third question, third part is given. Try to find out with the help of any two factors which may play a major role in the cause of second. Second is what? Neuropsychiatric. So that, second, which condition of the woman is this? So reproductive system. What is that? So what you are getting here? Unwanted female child's abortion of by the unqualified doctors, lack of medical facilities and malnutrition. These are the some factors on by which you can get here. It is the maximum death. Question number 2 is given. The following data on the number of girls to the nearest 10 per 1000 boys. So schedule caste 1940 here girls per 1000 boys. Here scheduled tribe, then the SC/ST, backward, non-backward, rural, urban. There is a question, you draw a bar graph, and then the classrooms discuss the conclusion can be arrived for this graph. So here again you will see what is given. First of all, for the bar graph you take the scale, width 1 centimeter, and the 1 centimeter is equal to 100 girl child. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. First one given 940. Each small square is 10. 10 tens are 100. So 940, 970, 920, 950, 920, 930, 950. According to this, we will draw the rectangles by the scale. Social section of the society, these names, and it is given the number of girls per thousand. So these things you mention, otherwise it will be not correct figure. Here X and here Y you mention. Now what is the result? By the graph we are seeing the non-SCST and the non-backwards are same. Both the numbers are same. And the number of girls per thousand in the scheduled tribe is maximum 970. Maximum out of this, maximum height is this 970, and another is, and minimum is in the 910 urban area. At least number of girl child, it is in the urban areas. So that result you are getting conclusion. Third question will see what is the question number 3. Question number 3 is given again because there is no any quantity. So A, B, C, D, E, F, these are the political parties, and draw a bar graph or represent the polling result. These are the number of seats won by the polling parties. A, B, C, D, E, F. Polling parties. So bar graph again we will apply, and which poll party won the maximum number of the seats, that whose height is maximum. So in this case, first of all you take scale. X-axis 1 centimeter width and 1 centimeter for the party name, that you are getting. Y-axis we will take the number of seat ones. 1 centimeter is 10 polling seats. So like this 100 till 100 we will draw. Till 80 is also sufficient because of maximum is 75. Then plot the graph by, write the name of the political parties and here the seats won by the party winning. So by this you scale till 70, 80, 75 is here. Till 75 one rectangle, another you will get 55, then 37, then 29, 10 and 37. You are getting, it is the seats won by the, who is the winner? Winner is this. Who is winning? So political party A is winning because it has a maximum number of seats won by that party, 75. Its height is maximum. So winner is party A. Now you will see the question number 4, which is very important question because the length of 40 leaps, length of the 40 leaps are given in centimeters here, millimeters, and the how many seats are there between this range is given. 118 to 126 range, 3 leaps are there. 127 to 135. You see that. What is the gap? It is the disjoint class interval. What is called? Disjoint class interval. Without disjoint, your question is draw a histogram. Histogram will be only possible when we'll join it in the first convert into joint. And I have told you conversion of joint is difference of upper limit of the first class, lower limit of the consecutive class, half of it. Then we'll start to, first of all, first step you draw a new table. How will you draw? And then you see these relations. Is there other suitable graphical representation? Yes. Histogram and the frequency polygon. Is it correct to calculate the maximum number of leaves 153? No, 153 is not the maximum. Between 153 to 145 is the maximum. 153 is not exact 12. Maybe 145, 146, 147, 45, 46, 47, anyone is there. What is the size also you can see accordingly. So first of all, what is your first part of this question? You will change this table into which? Joint. So what will be the, your class is given 118 to 126. Another is given 127 to 135. It is your first and second class. All have the same size. So what is the difference between 127 and 126? There is a 1. It is a difference. Difference means bigger value minus smaller value. So 1 is difference, half of 1 is 0.5. So I have given you formula, lower limit plus minus 0.5, upper limit plus 0.5. It is your, so 118 minus 0.5, 126 plus 0.5 will give you 117.5 to 126.5. Class size is 9. Here also the class size is 9, 18, 26. 8 plus 1. 126 minus 118 plus 1. So both have same class size. It is your joint. When you write 117 here, 126 here again you will get, because 127 minus, so no need to show it. You directly, what is here, that will be here. What is here, 0.5 more. Clearly you write down. Here it is given in the book. Very simple. You see that. Simply 126, 126.5. 127 is here, 126.5 will become here. What is here? Upper limit 0.5, it will come here. Upper limit 0.5, it will come here. 153.5 automatic you write here. What is its upper limit? 162.5. Like this you write till here. So very easily you can do it. Now it is a joint class interval. Class size is 9. According to this we will take here scale. X-axis you will take the 1 centimeter is equal to 9. Y-axis you will take, because it is started from 117, so here will be a kink sign. 9 is a millimeter, gap is 9, so 9 directly you take. 1 centimeter is 9. So start from 117.5 and at end 180.5 or 189.5, 180 maximum. You have draw the line, written y-axis 1 centimeter is 2, because there is a 3 to 12, minimum is 2 and 12. So if you take 1 then very long rectangle you will get, height is more. So double, so half centimeter will be 1. Like this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then write the number of leaves here and length in millimeter. First you write this, then start to drawing. Otherwise maximum students forget to write this and you will not get the full marks. It is very important part. Always you mention what is on x-axis and what is on the y-axis. So here it is the 117.5 to 1, 3 till 3 you will get, it is a 3, and then it is 5, then it is 9, till here one wall it is 12, it is 5, it is 4 and it is 2. Your what is over? It is called histogram. So yes, second part of the question is given. Is it possible to draw any other type? Is there any other suitable graphical? Yes, frequency polygon. Put a middle point and join it till the last, you will get the frequency polygon. Frequency polygon, it will start from 109, 108. From 108.5 you will start, because you want the midpoint also here. So third one is given. Is it correct to conclude that 153 is the maximum leaves length? No, because maximum between this, not exact 153. Okay, that's all for today. In the next video I will tell you the rest part of the exercise. Thanks.